वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. Namaste everyone, welcome back. So today session is for back and the leg muscles. So here we'll do as a warm-up to strengthen or stretches the legs and the back muscles. So let's get started. So sit in Dandasana first. Keeping your feet open, hips width apart, and flex the axis of the buttocks out. Sit on your sitting bone, so adjust yourself. Make sure you're pressing the sitting bone down and lengthen your spine. Erect your spine. You can fingertips your hands beside. Take support with your fingertips and more lengthen your spine. Use your back muscles. And those who are not able to lengthen the spine, you can fold the mat underneath your hips, or you can take cushions. Okay. So legs active. After lengthening your spine, shoulders relax, neck free, hands on your thigh. Or you can simply place your hands beside your hips. But make sure you're not lifting the shoulder. You have to press your palms, lift your chest from your shoulder, okay? So that you are not losing the back muscles. Or you can place your hands on your thigh. So first, toes wound, toes bending. So inhale, spread your toes, and exhale, clench your toes. Inhale, spread your toes. Make sure you're pressing the root of the toes forwards. Your feet should be flat. Your feet is not going like this. You're pressing the outer edge of the foot front and the inner edge of the foot losing and is coming forward. So you have to press your feet like you're pressing your feet on wall. Same action. Inhale, spread your toes. And exhale, clench your toes. Inhale, 1. And exhale, 2. Inhale, 3, tighten your knees and engage the quad, and exhale, 4. Inhale, 5, and exhale, 6. Inhale, 7, and exhale, 8. Inhale, 9, and exhale, 10. Now inhale, spread your toes, spine long, legs active. Now ankle bending. As you exhale, keeping your toes pointing front, tighten the knees, lengthen the spine. Inhale, extend your soles to the feet. Try to lift your heels up off the mat if possible. And as you exhale, point your toes forward. Inhale, extend, maintain the spine straight, and exhale, point. Inhale, 1. And exhale, 2. Inhale, 3. And exhale, 4. Inhale, 5. And exhale, 6. Inhale, 7. And exhale, 8. Inhale, 9. And exhale, 10. Inhale, extend. Now ankle rotation. So rotate your ankles clockwise slowly and gradually, inch by inch. Maintaining your spine straight, so maintain your awareness and your legs and your back muscles. So we have to work on the back and the leg muscles, so do not losing your awareness. 4, 5, breathing longer and deeper. 6, 7, 8, 9, and then reverse anti-clockwise. Breathing continue. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Extend your soul to the feet. 1 feet distance or the hips width apart, your legs, and fingertips, your hands beside. Press your fingertips, press your sitting bone, and lengthen your spine, shoulders relax away. Now, without losing your leg muscles and your back muscles, raise your hands up. So maintain the heaviness on your sitting bone and maintain the erectness, maintain the elongation, your spine. So create the space between each and every vertebra and more reach your hands higher. Urdhva Hasta Danda Asana. Breathing continue longer and deeper. Stay here for 5 count. 5, 4, maybe your hands and legs is shaking, that's okay. 3, maintain the spine straight, legs active. 4, you'll feel the tension on your root of your thigh, your groins. And 5, now fingertips, your hands beside hips, spine long, do not loosen your back muscles, and bend your knees and press your feet down. Control your knees, make sure your knees not popping out. If your knees is popping out, you can take blocks, 2 blocks, 1 block between the feet and 1 block between your knees. So you're using 1 block between the feet, so your feet is not going out. So you have big toes touching on block. Keep holding the block with your knees, and you can catch your thigh, you can fingertips your hands beside, and lengthen your spine. You can slightly lean back. So this is a variation of the garland pose, or the variation of the boat pose, Navasana. Now with control, raise your hands up over the head. Keep holding the block, keep pressing the feet, and maintain the heaviness on your sitting bone, and more reach your hands higher. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Fingertips, hands beside, and keeping your legs straight, you can remove the blocks. Feet open, hips width apart. Press your fingertips, press your sitting bone. Maintain the spine straight and your legs active. Again, raise your hands up. Urdhva Hasta Dandasana. 1, breathing continue. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now interlock your fingers and turn your palms face upward. Your palms will be flat like you're pressing your palms on ceiling. Shoulders relax and throw your hands back. Neck become free. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now release and place your fingers, fingertips, hands beside. Without losing your back muscles, bend your knees. Keep pressing your feet. You can use block, or you can use, if you have control, you can hold without using block. If you need block, you can take block. Spine long, chest open. Inhale, raise your hands up and hold here. Breathing continue. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Interlock your fingers and turn your palms face upwards. Keep controlling your knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Release and place your fingers and relax your legs straight, and then move your legs and then relax and secure thigh. So this warm-up, this strengthening warm-up helps you to stretch the hamstring, and it stretches the back muscles and it strengthens the back muscles. So after that you can do butterfly pose. So this is the hip opening warm-up. So your heels close to your hips. Interlace your fingers of your feet and lengthen your spine. So after practicing back strengthening and leg strengthening, you need like hip warm-up because there is so much tension on your legs, your root of your thigh. So maintaining the spine straight. Now keep pulling your knees down towards the mat and keep lengthening your spine. Try to rest your knees down if possible, and breathing continue. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now flap your butterfly wings and release the tension from your root of your thigh and from your pelvic region. So this warm-up you can practice before your self-practice. So this warm-up really help to release the tension back and the leg muscles, and it will give you the strength and the flexibility. And then slowly relax. Bring your knees close with your hands and lift your feet up and relax your pelvis. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then relax. So, thank you so much for watching. Namaste.